It's vegan recipes with Pat, Mel, and Emily.
Today on It's Vegan, I'm going to show you a quick hors d'oeuvre that you can serve cold or hot. I just call it simply asparagus cups. To start with, I buy these pre-baked Fillo shells, and when you get them, this is what they look like. I'm simply taking vegan cream cheese and I'm filling it in the bottom of each of these cups. You have to be careful. That might have a little bit too much, but I'm leaving it. You have to watch because these will break so easily. So I'm getting that in the bottom. It's really about a teaspoon of cream cheese. My cream cheese is almost room temperature. You pretty much need it that way so that you can spread it in there a little bit without breaking the cups. Okay, those last couple I filled, I'm going to get the cream cheese spread around a little bit. And you know, you could make a cashew cream if you wanted to. Now I took 1 cup of asparagus. It was really small, and I chopped it up finely and steamed it so it was just partially cooked, and I used a generous tablespoon of this bruschetta. You could use red pepper. This happened to be sun-dried tomato. Looks like I could have used less asparagus, but that will taste good just eating like that. There we have it. I'm not even going to be too concerned about the asparagus that dropped out of the cups. Now for the taste test. I'm serving them cold. Again, you could pop them in the oven to heat them up and get them bubbly. Oh, they're delicious. They're nice, they're crunchy. They'd be easy to eat at an hors d'oeuvre party. Thank you.
Tune in next week for a new video.